after a while, become his wife by the name of Sister Heather, Mistress Henry. Now, they both, to us, father and mother of the new creation. Meaning, the International Peacemaker, the New Creation International Peacemaker Association. And the creative work that is being done by both of them, we approve of it. That was the work of God. Both Sister Edna and Reverend C.V. Henry. We were all children of these two people, and they were mother and father of us all. Accordingly to how they treated us, and the treatment that we experienced from these two people, heavenly treatment. The way how God manifests himself through Christ to carry out his kingdom work amongst his disciples, and not only disciples alone, other people likewise, especially the poor. Because it is said, "Blessed are ye poor, for yours the kingdom of heaven." We can see that these two people really carry out such an administration, and we are well convinced about the administration. It did not only say God kingdom, he said building God kingdom, a new grand world of righteousness, not according to this present world administration and its corrupted system. First of all, he preached reformation, that we are to be reformed from the corrupted principles of this present world system to suit the new creation, building God's kingdom on earth. And because of that reason, he was hated. Likewise, Sister Edna, who stick with him, who joined with him in this administration. The leader was sent to prison. Sister Edna also, along with him. And when Sister Edna's sentence was finished and he came out, she came out with that heavenly administration. The first thing, she come and look for the brethren, associate herself with them, and to bring them in harmony and peace with themselves until the leader came from prison. And when the leader came from prison, the leader found her actively working along with us, the brethren, who were so long waiting on them. And as Brother Gordon rightly said a while ago, that she take five pounds of flour and started the bakery, Peacemaker Bakery. 5 pounds of flour, and from 5 pounds of flour, it end up, the Peacemaker Association end up having 7 bread vans on the road, on the route. Fed 7 bread vans on the road. And the bread was well established because it was known to be one of the best baking bread in the island of Jamaica. A lot of sabotage. After the commercial world found out that something good was going on in Peacemaker, of which they always speak evil of us, and they didn't want us to come, they started to sabotage the bakery. Not only the bakery alone was established, we do farming in a very big scale. Farming, rearing cattle, cow, goat, sheep, and pigs also. Plantation like sugarcane, banana, cassava, pumpkin, yam, all various type of miscellaneous plants. So it was an establishment. It was such a type of establishment to help the brethren community, and not only the brethren community alone, also the people around. Whenever time the Reverend C.V. Henry sold things to the people around, he did it in a very economical way that the people could buy what he have by his produce. So we can see from that point that he was building God's kingdom on earth, of which at this time, that's what we need, God's kingdom. Not according to how the church teach us to look up in the sky. Because it is said by Jesus, thy kingdom come, thy will must be done on earth as it is in heaven. Therefore we are looking forward for the kingdom of God to be established on earth. And this is the only man, the Reverend C.V. Henry, otherwise known as Cyrus, his new name, according to what Brother Gordon said a while ago, that his new name was given to him by the angel and his marching order, Cyrus. Today, we are very much proud of both Sister Edna and the Reverend C.V. Henry. Because what he taught us, we tried to live by it in obedience. And by trying to live by it in obedience, we conquer evil forces. We conquer evil administration that is meted out unto us. Even that, thank God for this man. Thank God for Sister Edna. And today we are still here. And our aim and object is to carry on until we are victorious. So we are saying these things that the world can understand from us, although they are not here with us now. But we, as pilgrims of the new creation, we are here to further establish the kingdom of God. We are here, although we are in a minority group, but nothing is wrong about that, because it was said to us. It was said to us, fear not, little flock, of which we are, because it is your Father good pleasure to give you the kingdom. So we know that the kingdom of God is rightly belonging unto us. So we are here determinedly to serve until we are victorious. I thank you.